Today, I'll be calculating the median and explaining how to do it 3 different ways. The median is a type of average in the math world of statistics. You have the mean, the median, and the mode. The median is the middle value in a list of numbers. This is different than finding the average number. Typically, to find the median, you will need your list of numbers sorted from smallest to largest, and the median will be the middle number. A video or 2 ago, I mentioned the KISS method when it comes to coding. Keep it simple, stupid. In all honesty, why not use the easiest method? Shouldn't the code be as short and concise as possible? In my humble opinion, the longer the code, the higher the chance of error. You can still comment or explain your methods within the shortest code, but I digress. 2 easy ways to solve this problem are to use the NumPy, or NumPy, however you pronounce it, or the statistics modules within Python, as shown here. I'm going to go over the formula for 2 lists, one containing an odd amount of numbers and the other with an even amount. For the odd-numbered list, the answer would be fairly simple after sorting. It wouldn't even make it past the if statement. If you look at variable y, where x divided by 2 is, the answer would be 3.5, smack dab in the middle of the list. The double slash stands for floor division. Floor division rounds down a float or decimal. For example, as 7 divided by 2 equals 3.5, floor division changes the answer to 3, meaning the solution is found at index 3, which is the second 5 in the list. For the even-numbered list, I made it very simple, 1 through 8, and in the formula, the if statement is going to have to go to work. X modulo 2 with a 0 remainder means the length of the list is an even amount of numbers. When list y, which is at index position 4, equaling 5, subtracts 1, it becomes 4. Add that back to list y, which is 4th position, or the number 5, your answer is 9, or 4.5. When 9 gets divided by 2, you have 4.5. The median of the list is halfway between 4 and 5, or 4.5. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!